Hey there everyone, welcome back to Trading Flow YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna to analyze and predict tomorrow's market Nifty Bank Nifty analysis along with one intraday stock pick. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we have seen today it's opened gap up and sustained above. So before that I would like to show you in the higher time frame in the 4 hours. Let's calculate this recent swing. For the recent swing I gonna to apply the Fibonacci from the top to end as this, and you can see below 0.5 it respected 0.3 and got rejection from the 0.3, and we have seen a downside move. So again let us apply to the recent swing the same Fibonacci, and if we apply Fibonacci for the recent swing, you can see it is also near to 0.5, and in between 0.5 and 0.6 we have a huge gap area. So let's mark this both the levels. So I'm gonna to mark like this. This is my 0.6. Let me also mark this for 0.5 as well. So let's remove the Fibonacci now, and let me show you. If I minimize it, you can see this is impulse correction followed by impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. There are two possibilities now. Either it get again impulse, or if it break this, then we can see a trend reversal from here. So for this we have few conditions. Let's go and check it out. So let me refresh it, and you can see this is my 0.5 level and this is my 0.6 level. So if you see today's market, it opened gap up, and if we draw a structural resistance here, you can see this is a structural resistance previously and converted as a support now, and the 15-minute candle closed below it, and closing is a little bit negative, but overall if you see, in the very starting of the day it opened gap up, and thereafter profit booking continued, and we have seen a upside move, and again we got it down. So this is today's market. So what gonna to be tomorrow's market? It's so clear. If it open above today's high, if it open flat, and if it break out today's high, so simply you can make a quick scalping trade here up to this level, because as I mentioned this is 0.5. This is very important level for the Nifty. So if we get breakdown to this level, which is taken as support today, then obviously we may see it will cover the gap area tomorrow. So tomorrow gonna to be a very important day, because day after tomorrow we have GDP data of US. So maybe tomorrow we get some consolidate, or we don't know how the market will discount that news. So according to technicals, very simple analysis, like if it breaks today's low or today's high. If it breaks today's high, we have a immediate resistance here, and followed by the next resistance here. So if it break down, as I said, the next support is here. You can mark all these levels, and similar type of analysis we are getting in bank Nifty as well. Same, you can calculate this swing high to swing low, even it not cross the 0.5. Let me also show you. You can see we got perfect rejection at 0.5. So similarly now we will consider this swing. So this is how you should test the previous data of any index or of any stock. And if you see, observe it again at the 0.5 level exactly, we are getting a rejection here. So we don't know whether it continues its rejection. As I said, this is impulse followed by correction, impulse, and it's a correction. We have two possibilities here. It will continue its trend by the impulse move, or else it will change the trend by reversal. So we have a key event, US GDP data on Wednesday. So we have to wait tomorrow, and Wednesday is going to be a deciding day for the trend of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So let's talk about technicals now. So I'm switching into 15-minute time frame, and you can clearly see here today market is in between zero point 0.5 level and 0.6. So even in this we have similar type of analysis, like if it is between these both levels, then we can consider it as no trading zone, and we will only trade above today's high and today's low. Like if it break this level, so we are going to short in this up to. For the targets, you can simply place this swing low and this swing high, and you can make targets. See, this is your target one because it's the zero point 0.5 level, and it's also a gap area. So this gonna to be your targets. So in the similar manner, if it gives a breakout, then obviously you can go for a quick scalping up to the zero point 0.6 level. So this is my analysis in the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. For tomorrow, I have selected a intraday stock. You can see that's Reliance. Sorry guys, due to time concern, I have not selected much stocks, but for sure from tomorrow you will get more stocks comparatively today. Today, due to some work, I have only selected one stock for you. This is Reliance. So Reliance, if you see, it is clearly in the downtrend, and if we see here, it taken the support, and if we calculate this particular swing, it have completed its zero point 0.6 correction up to here. So tomorrow we may see both possibilities. If it breaks trend line, and along with trend line, it should break this level because it is very important level for Reliance. So if it breaks this level, then obviously by seeing any pullback you can go for long in this. As I said, the targets will be the target you can decide very simply by placing extension to this level. So this gonna to be your target one, and this 2.2 level gonna to be your target 2. So even I will make a lines here so that even you can see it clearly. So this is your target 1, and this is your target 2. And if it breaks down, then the next this swing low can be your target. This can be your target. This can be your target 2, and this can be your target 1. So this is my analysis for tomorrow's for the Nifty, Bank Nifty as well as Reliance. So see you in the next video. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind.